Best DIY gelatin face masks you need to try. Gelatin face masks are among the most popular type of DIY face mask because they're easy to make, easy to apply, easy to peel off and easy to wash off. Overall, they do an outstanding job of cleansing your face. We're going to take a close look at DIY gelatin face masks and see if we can figure out what makes them so effective. What are gelatin face masks and the benefits? A gelatin face mask is a mixture of gelatin powder and other ingredients that you apply to your face on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. Its job is to grab hold of the pollutants hiding in your pores and pull them out. A gelatin face mask provides a whole another layer of cleanliness as well as other benefits including smoother skin. One of the jobs of the gelatin face mask is to exfoliate your skin. Once your face is shorn of dead skin cells, it will look and feel smoother. Tighter skin, exfoliating all the dirt, toxins, and dead skin cells from your face will reinvigorate the skin. The underlying layer that comes to the fore will be more supple and tighter than the dirty, loose skin it's replacing. Helps prevent acne. A gelatin face mask pulls dirt and environmental pollutants from your pores. But just as important is the fact that it clears your pores of excess oil and bacteria that can cause acne. Gets rid of blackheads. Few things are more effective at removing blackheads than a good gelatin mask. Promotes collagen growth. A good gelatin face mask will promote the production of collagen in the underlying layers. What is a gelatin face mask for? A gelatin face mask is for digging down deep into the pores and pulling out the dirt, blackheads, and toxins. Can you use a gelatin face mask for redness? You shouldn't use a gelatin face mask for redness. In fact, if you use a gelatin face mask more than once a week, it may cause redness. When should you use gelatin face masks and how do they work? The essential premise of the gelatin face mask is that you put certain things onto your face, the mask, and they pull other things, blackhead, dirt etc., out of the skin. You should use a gelatin face mask once every week or 2 weeks in order to cleanse your skin of deep-seated dirt and toxins that your cleanser can't remove. If you leave these things inside your pores, they'll do permanent damage to it and likely lead to pimples or acne or other types of blemishes. A gelatin face mask works by adhering to the skin and forming a vacuum between the mask and the skin. When the mask is pulled off, the vacuum sucks out dirt, oil, environmental toxins, and whatever else has taken up residence in the pores. Removing the mask also removes any dead or dying skin cells from your face, allowing a new, healthier layer of skin to come to the fore. If you care about your skin, you shouldn't wait until you have a problem to use a gelatin face mask. Instead, you should incorporate it into your regular skincare routine. How often can you do a gelatin face mask? You can do a gelatin face mask once a week. Any more and you risk irritating your skin. Important note: kindly do the allergic test before applying on your face. Do not use if you have any skin diseases or allergic reactions on your skin. Disclaimer: we are not responsible for any other allergic reactions. Kindly consult a skin doctor for further treatment. Top few gelatin face masks to try. Let's take a look at the best gelatin face masks that you can try at home. The milk and gelatin mask. This type of mask is made specifically to reach into your pores and pull out blackheads. The mask takes only a few minutes to make and requires only 2 ingredients, gelatin powder and milk. Here's how you do it. Before applying the mask, steam your face and wipe the sweat with a cotton cloth. Opens up the pores. Heat for 10 seconds on medium. Remove, let it cool a bit if necessary, and then apply. Leave in place for 30 minutes, then gently peel off the mask. Wash it with lukewarm water, cleans the pores. Then wash with cold or chilled water, closes the pores, which will prevent the dirt entering the pores. The water and gelatin mask. This is the ultimate simple face mask for anyone suffering from dry skin. There are no secret ingredients here, just gelatin and water. Takes about 3 minutes to make. Put 1 teaspoon of gelatin in a bowl. Add a bit of warm water and mix until it gets thick. Place it in the microwave for 10 seconds, or you can double boiling. Remove and make sure it's thoroughly blended. Repeat the same method mentioned above. Applying a gelatin face mask once every week or 2 will help fend off myriad potential problems, including acne, pimples, oily skin, and more. It will also help minimize fine lines and wrinkles, and in some cases prevent lines from developing. Thanks for watching.